Hi, I'm Taro. こんにちは、Taro です。I'm Japanese. I live in Hong Kong. So what I want to introduce you today is less than $1 and less than 5 minutes Japanese food cooking. Actually, eating Japanese food outside is a bit expensive and tasty sometimes so. But if you can make by yourself Japanese food, it is tasty, cheap, and easy. So what I want to introduce today is egg roll. It is tamagoyaki. So I will share you what you need to prepare and how to cook it. Let's cook it. How is it? It is easy, right? So, but again, don't mind small mistake. It is okay. So from today, I will post some easy Japanese video. So if you like it, please push subscribe button and also good button. Thank you for taking your time. See you next. Bye bye.